Welcome. Today, we're diving into a helpful guide on how to allow message requests from everyone on Pinterest using your PC. With the recent updates to Pinterest's messaging feature, it's easier than ever to connect with fellow users. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're on the home page, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon represents the settings menu. Click on the gear icon and it will take you directly to the settings page. Here, you'll find various options to customize your Pinterest experience. Now, focus on the left sidebar and locate the social permissions section. This is where you can manage how others can interact with you on Pinterest. Under social permissions, look for the messages option. You'll see an option labeled Edit next to everyone else. Click on that Edit button to proceed. This is a crucial step because it allows you to change who can send you message requests. Now, you'll be presented with several options regarding message requests. To enable everyone to send you requests, select Requests from the list. This setting ensures that anyone on Pinterest can reach out and send you messages, making it easier to connect with new friends and fellow pinners. After selecting Requests, don't forget to click on the Save button at the bottom of the settings window. This step is essential as it confirms your changes and allows everyone to start sending you messages. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully allowed message requests from everyone on Pinterest. Now you can enjoy a more interactive experience as you share ideas and inspirations with users across the platform. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating Pinterest and other social media platforms. Happy pinning!